Everyone, you're welcome to my channel. I am Colin Study, and on this channel I show you how to be successful as a self-published author. I give you on this channel insight and tips on how to run a successful Amazon KDP business, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to set up Google Docs or how to use Google Docs for writing purposes. Okay, so in this video we are going to open the Google Docs application. Okay, so this is the application. So okay, so this is the application. So this is the surface how it is going to be when you are writing book with Google Docs. So I'm going to explain each and every toolbar here and how we are going to use it to write books as an author or as a self-publisher. Okay, so this place, you can see this place I just click is where you can write the name of your document. You can change or write the name of your document. So the name of this document is small business and big savings. Small business, big savings. So that is the name of this book and this document. So okay, so we are going to open the document to see other toolbars. Okay, so this other tool here, okay, okay, sorry for that, there's a mistake somewhere. Okay, I'll be right back. Let's fix that. Okay, so this toolbar here, this toolbar is for done or to save your document after you have finished writing or formatting it. That is where you will click if you want to save your document. Okay, we also have this other one. We also have another document here. This one here is for undo. It is used for undoing your document, or you can also click it when you want to bring the previous mode or the previous section of your document. So if you click there, you will undo your project or you bring back the previous section. Okay, we also have another tool here. This is used for forward. This is a tool for forward. So if you have a mistake and you want to, if you mistakenly delete a part of your book, you can click that to bring your documents forward to where it was. So that is what that tool is used for, to bring your document forward. If there's a mistake that has been done, you can bring it back by clicking that forward. Okay, we also have another tool here, which is this one here. This particular tool has sub tools or other tools that are in there. So we are going to open there and also look at every tool that are there so that we can understand how to use Google Docs. So if you click on that place, okay, you're going to see two different sections. So this particular tool has two different sections, and there are several other tools that you can use to edit your book and also to format your book in a very quality and beautiful way. Okay, so we are going to explain each of these tools and what it is used for. So we can see that it has the text section and the paragraph text section. Yeah, this is the text section and this is the paragraph section. So now we are first of all going to understand everything that is on this text section, then we'll go to the paragraph section. Okay, so the first one we have here, we have the B, which signifies bold. If you want to bolden your text, that is where you will click and your text will be bold. Okay, so if you want to change your text to italics, this is the I sign is for italics. So if you want to change your text to italics, that is where you are going to click. Okay, we also have another one here. This tool is used for underlining your document. If you want to underline your text, you can click that and your text will be underlined. So that is what that tool is used for. Okay, we also have another one here. This one is used for crossing a line on your text. If you want to put a line, an horizontal line on your text, that is where you are going to click. Then you put a line on your text. Okay, so this one is like a numerator text, where your text will be smaller and it will be forward, like upward, just like this two is here. That is where your text is going to be. It's going to be upward, while if you click on this one, your text is going to be downward. So that is what that particular tools are all used for. This is bold, this is italics, this is underline, this is crossing a line on a text, this is upward, and this is downward. So that is what all those tools are used for. Okay, so let's go to the second section. Okay, let's go to the second side. Also, we see, oh sorry, okay, so we have the style. Yes, we have style here. So this style, it has different features. So if you click on this style, you are going to see the title. You can put a title page as when you are writing a title page. If you click on title, it will be title page. If you click on subtitle, it will be subtitle. We have from heading 1 to heading 6. These are headings of your document and your books. So that is what this style is for. We also have font. This is, you can select all different type of fonts you can use. We have Badana, we have Trebuchet, we have Times New Roman, we have Spectra. There are Roboto. There are numerous texts that you can use here in order to make your document or your book beautiful. Okay, we also have size. This, if you click here, you bring the size of your books or the size of your letters or your document down, while if you click up, you bring it higher. Okay, so this text color is to change the color of your books, to change the color of your text and your documents. Yeah, so that is what that place is used for. So if you click on a document, okay, so you click on the text, you can see that you are changing the text color of your document. That is what that tool is used for, to change the color of your document. Okay, so let's go to this other side. Is highlighting. Sorry, there's a mistake. So let's go to this other section, which is the paragraph section. Let's look at every tool here and purpose and of these tools, how to use them in order to format and to write a quality book. So this here, okay, this tool here, okay, I'm coming. Okay, so this tool here is used for left alignment. If you want to bring your documents to the left hand side, that is where you will click. While if you want to bring it to the center, that is where you will click. That is what that tool is used for. This one is used for right alignment, and this is used for justification. So that is what these tools are all used for. If you want to begin your text and you want to start it from the left hand side, this is the tool you will use. And also if you want to start it from the middle and the left hand side, the difference, if you want to start your text from either the middle of the left and the middle of the middle hand side, you can click on here. I'm going to show you how that will work. Okay, so let's go back to do an experiment or a practical on what I just showed you now. Okay, so let's go to the paragraph. Okay, you can see that if you click on this, it will remain at the left hand side. If you click here, it will bring all your document to the middle. If you click here, it will bring it to the right hand side, and if you click here, it will beautify or justify your product. Okay, your book document. Okay, so this is justification, which align it and make it beautiful and orderly, while here is the right hand side, this is the middle, this is the left hand side, and also this is beautification or justification. Okay, so this other side, if you click on here, it will make your document to be on the left hand side, the beginning of your document to be on the left hand side, while if you click here, it will bring it in between the middle and the left hand side. You can see the difference between these two. Okay, so that is what those tools are used for. We also have another tool here. This is numbering. If you want to number your documents, it has different sections and different features of numbering your document. We also have bulletin here. We also have different features of bulletin, different types of bulletin. Okay, we also have line spacing. Line spacing is used for increasing the space between your sentence, your sentences, yes, and also decreasing the space. So if you lower the numbers, it will bring them together, it will bring them closer. You can see the sentences are all closer to each other, while if you increase the number, it will bring space in between them. Okay, the recommended line spacing number should be 1.5. Yes, that is okay for book writing. Okay, so we also have another one here, which is add page number. Okay, but that I'm going to talk about that when we are discussing on this tool. So now let's open that tool and discuss everything that tool is about and the features and what it is used for. Okay, so let's open that tool. Okay, so now we are on that tool, and you can see that the first thing on that tool is insert. So this tool is used for inserting documents or inserting links, comments, images, table, horizontal line, page break, page number, and footnotes on your book. So that is what it is used for. So if you click on the link here, you will add link to your document. If you click on the comment, you will add comment to your document or your books. If you click on the image, you will add images to your book. If you click on the table, you will insert tables, either columns and also rows, to your book. If you click on the horizontal line, you put an horizontal line either on top your books, on top of a sentence, or at the end of a sentence. So that is what those tools are used for. Okay, so let's check others. We also have page break. Page break it differentiates the pages of your book. So if you have gotten to an end of a page, you can page break it and it will bring another page. That is what page break does. We also have page numbers to number the pages of your book, and we have different ways to number. Is it at the right hand, up right hand? Is it at after the first? Okay, this is up right hand. And okay, let me explain each of these. Okay, so let me explain each of them. This is the right hand side, up right hand. That is what your page number will be. Then if we use this one, it will not put page number on the first page, but it will put on the right hand side, the up right hand of your second page. While this one is for the bottom of your book, the bottom of your page of your document. Yes, and also this will not put on the first page, but it will put on the bottom of the second page. So that is how page numbers are used on books. Okay, so let's go back and see there are also footnotes. So that is what all these toolbars are used for. Adding of link, comments, image. You can add image from your photos or from a camera, even from web. You can also add tables, including column and rows, to your book. You can also add a horizontal line, either at the beginning or at the end of your book. So if we click the end of our book now, you can see that if we add horizontal line, it will be at the end. You can see that there's horizontal line here, and if we click on the head or the upper side, you can see that there will be line on the upper side. So that is what that tool is used for. So let's go back. This other tool here, this tool here is used for comment. It's still a comment tool. So let's go to this tool, this other side, and see what that tool is used for. Okay, so let's open there. Okay, so we have the first one, mute entries and exit. So if you click on there, whenever you are opening this particular document or file on your Google Docs, there will be when you are entering, there will be mute, and also when you are exiting, it will be mute also. So the print layout is whenever you want to view your book to find out how it will be whenever you have printed, or how it will look to your customers if you have printed. So if we off it now, you see that it will be bigger. So this is not how it will look when you have print it. This is how it's going to look when you have printed. Okay, yeah, so this is how it's going to look when you have printed. Also, viewing mode, if you click viewing mode, it will show you how your book will be viewed. So you can view it click it from the first page to the last page. That is what the viewing mode is for. Also, we have suggest changes. Whenever changes are made, you can suggest. If you click suggest changes, it will suggest the changes that are made on your documents. Also, if you click on document outline, it will also show you the outline, all the headings and subheading, the titles and also the subtitles. If you find and replace, it will also show you document that has been replaced, even from starting from the original document that you pasted on your Google Docs, and the ones you have changed and the one you have replaced. If you click on word count, it will show you the number of words you have in your document. Okay, if you click on the save and export, you can save your document into PDF or EPUB or zip. Those are the recommended format that you can use to publish as a book. You can use PDF, zip or web page. Those are the format, or also EPUB. Those are the formats you can use. If you add on, you can add external files or external gadgets to your book. So that is what all these are used for. So thank you so much for being with me from the starting of this video up to this moment that we have come to an end. Please, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel, so that whenever I post videos, useful videos like this, you can be able to watch them and also to get better as a publisher. Thank you so much, and also see you in the next video.